got the hiccups. You got the hiccups, Kamari. Why ain't you talking? Is that light too bright? That light too bright? Are you showing your binky?